Welcome back to Auto Rush Pro, where luxury meets horsepower and innovation drives the dream forward. Today, we're diving into the elite world of the most luxurious motorhomes ever made, where style, performance, and comfort go beyond limits. These aren't just RVs, these are mansions on wheels, combining world-class automotive engineering with ultra-premium living standards. Let's begin our luxury journey from number 7 and count up to the most opulent beast on wheels at number 1. Buckle up, this ride is going to be unforgettable. At number 7, we have the Rolls Royce Motorhome 2026. Now, when you hear the name Rolls Royce, you already imagine elegance, grace, and a commitment to unmatched craftsmanship. This motorhome carries all those qualities onto the open road. On the outside, the Rolls Royce motorhome speaks with quiet authority. The signature Pantheon grille, finished in brushed chrome, instantly tells you this is not your average road vehicle. Sleek LED matrix headlights provide intelligent adaptive lighting, and the body is sculpted with precision lines that blend aerodynamic efficiency with pure sophistication. It sits on 24-inch alloy wheels, specially crafted for both highway cruising and soft terrain. The exterior paint options include Rolls-Royce's bespoke palette, including two-tone finishes and even custom hand-painted coach lines, all sealed, with a ceramic gloss coating to protect it for years to come. Inside, the magic continues. The cabin is more of a luxury penthouse suite than a camper. You'll find the softest leather sourced from alpine cows, hand-stitched into every seating surface, wall, and panel. The wood veneers are book-matched Macassar ebony, and the lighting is a blend of ambient fiber optics and crystal chandeliers. The living area features an extendable lounge space, a 65-inch old TV, and a retractable champagne bar. The bathroom is fitted with Italian marble tiles, a rainfall shower, and a self-cleaning toilet system. Even the kitchen is state-of-the-art with a Volf induction cooktop, meal refrigerator, and a gold-plated sink. Performance dash-wise, the Rolls-Royce motorhome is built on a powerful twin-turbo V12 platform, offering over 600 horsepower and torque that's managed by an intelligent 8-speed transmission. Despite its massive size, the vehicle glides like a ghost on the road thanks to air suspension and noise-canceling glass. With adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and full autonomous mode, this motorhome redefines what road travel can be. At number 6, we present the 2026 Myclerian Motorhome. This British masterpiece is a fusion of Formula One heritage and futuristic mobility. From a distance, the Myclerian RV looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's low-slung for a motorhome, with a carbon fiber monocoque body that improves efficiency and strength. The front end features retractable solar wings that extend when parked to maximize charging. A unique vertical LED strip runs down the center, highlighting the vehicle's symmetrical design. Even the side mirrors have been replaced with AI-powered camera pods for enhanced safety. Inside the Myclerian, everything is touchless and voice-controlled. Step in, and you're welcomed by fragrance-infused air conditioning, a kinetic floor that adjusts firmness based on your footsteps, and panoramic smart windows that tint on command. Seating is done in memory foam-infused Alcantara with 360-degree swivel capability. There's no traditional bed here. Instead, the Myclerian uses adjustable sleep pods that mold to your body, syncing with your circadian rhythm using gentle lights and soundscapes. The kitchen is modular, allowing you to slide components in or out, including a retractable chef station with robotic arms for cooking. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, is a fully electric dual-motor powertrain, pushing 1,000 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, which is unheard of in motorhomes. With a 500-mile range and level 5 autonomous driving, it's built for the future. The regenerative braking system charges while you drive, and solar integration ensures you can stay off-grid for weeks. Coming in at number 5 is the BYD Motorhome 2026. Straight out of China's innovation powerhouse, this unit brings sustainability and smart tech together like no other. The exterior design is futuristic yet friendly, with curving glass surfaces, biodegradable composite body panels, and a color-changing paint system that adapts to temperature. The wide grille doubles as a solar collector, and the headlights are integrated into the body, giving it a seamless, organic look inside. The BYD motorhome is practically a smart apartment. It has voice-activated walls that change color, texture, and layout on command. A holographic assistant manages your entire experience from driving data to entertainment. The seating and bedding are crafted from lab-grown leather, and the entertainment system features a 3D projection setup with surround sound. The flooring is made from bamboo and graphene, providing durability, elegance, and heating-cooling features. There's a vertical garden in the living area to purify air and provide herbs for your meals. Powering the BYD motorhome is a solid-state battery system paired with a quad-motor all-wheel drive. It produces around 900 horsepower and can be charged to 80% in under 10 minutes. BYD's intelligent suspension system adapts to every road surface, making even mountain drives feel like gliding on air. And with full 5G connectivity, you're always online no matter where you are. Number 4 brings us to a surprise player, Ferrari Motorhome 2026. You might be thinking, Ferrari and motorhomes don't mix, but what if they did? And they have? This Italian beast doesn't just scream speed, it whispers luxury too. On the outside, the Ferrari motorhome is all aggression and elegance. Aerodynamic fins, active rear spoilers, a low-slung design with gull-wing entrance doors. The vehicles. CHASIS is forged from aircraft-grade aluminum and carbon fiber composites. The signature Rosso Corsa red is complemented by sleek black and gold accents. Inside, Ferrari brings its racing heritage to life with bucket-style massage chairs, carbon fiber trim, and red-stitched Alcantara upholstery. The driver's cockpit features a race-inspired steering yoke and HUD windshield projection. The lounge area has an 85-inch curved old screen, a built-in gaming console, and F1 memorabilia decor. The bathroom has a sculpted soaking tub made of basalt stone and temperature-reactive LED lights. Its adrenaline and comfort fused perfectly. Ferrari hasn't gone all-electric yet. This beast runs on a hybrid twin-turbo V8, pushing out over 1,100 horsepower. Top speed? 180 miles per hour. Onboard computer systems ensure track-like handling even in a large format. If you want to go fast and live large, nothing comes close to the Ferrari RV. At number 3, we turn to the legendary German engineering of Volkswagen. Presenting the 2026 Ultralux coach, the exterior is a blend of retro design with modern curves, reminiscent of the classic VW bus but built like a space-age cruiser. It features wraparound glass panels, a floating roof design with LED light, bars and pop-out sections that expand the living space by 40% when parked. The solar-paneled roof helps power everything from entertainment to climate systems. The interior is sustainably luxurious, with vegan leather upholstery, walnut flooring, and recycled aluminum trim. It's extremely modular, allowing users to reconfigure everything from workspace to bedrooms to lounge within minutes. It has a built-in espresso bar, a walk-in wardrobe, and a spa-inspired shower cabin. The driver area is fully autonomous, with level 5 AI and gesture controls. Performance is based on a dual-motor EV platform with 700 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and smart battery optimization. It has a 600-mile range and a hover assist feature that allows micro adjustments in height to avoid obstacles or even float slightly over rough terrain. The VW Ultralux is where heritage meets the future. Number 2 belongs to Volvo's 2026 Majestic Hauler, an embodiment of Scandinavian perfection. Clean, minimalist, and safe beyond imagination. The exterior is sharp with bold lines, a matte finish, and crystal-inspired LED headlamps. It features a collapsible sky deck, perfect for stargazing or social events. An adaptive air tunnel system cools the motorhome naturally, reducing energy usage. Inside, the vibe is Nordic luxury. Open-pore oak, woven textiles, and an earthy color palette make it feel like a forest retreat. The seats are orthopedic, adjustable with biometric feedback. Every surface is antimicrobial. It includes a wellness zone with infrared sauna, meditation eye guide, and aromatherapy integration. Volvo also introduces a smart climate dome that learns your preferences and adjusts lighting, airflow, and temperature dynamically. Powered by a hydrogen-electric hybrid, the majestic hauler delivers 850 horsepower with whisper-quiet efficiency. It has a 700-mile range and an automated parking system that can even park sideways. Volvo's safety features include full object detection, AI road condition forecasting, and a 360-degree impact protection shell. And finally, the #1 most luxurious motorhome in the world, the 2026 GMC Cadillac Presidential SkyLiner. This is not just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury estate. On the outside, it commands presence with its massive chrome grille, signature Cadillac headlights, and bulletproof glass panels. The double-story layout includes an extendable sky lounge and private rooftop helipad for drone landings or scenic breakfasts. The vehicle is wrapped in a nanotech paint that self-heals and adjusts color depending on environment or user mood. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure opulence. A floating staircase leads to the upper deck, which features a cinema room. With a starlit ceiling and Dolby Atmos system, the main deck includes a grand dining hall, quartz crystal chandelier, and a bedroom with a rotating platform bed. The kitchen is a culinary studio with smart appliances that learn your preferences. The bathroom includes a jacuzzi tub, Turkish steam shower, and gold-plated fixtures. Performance absolutely unmatched. Powered by a quad-motor hybrid V12 system, it produces over 1,200 horsepower and includes mag-ride suspension, armored underbody, and quantum AI drive assist. It can go off-grid for up to 45 days, supported by onboard desalination units, solar arrays, and a mini nuclear fuel cell. No matter where you are, desert, mountain, or jungle, this beast turns every environment into a luxury resort. So, there you have it, the 7 most luxurious motorhomes in the world, each a unique blend of engineering, luxury, and imagination. Which one would you drive? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Rush Pro for more mind-blowing vehicles from around the globe.